Hello. Hey, man, I just want to go over 3 things that you need to be focused on to survive this epidemic. The first thing you need to focus on is getting an emergency fund together. That's 3 to 6 months, maybe a year of income together to cover your life. Okay? Now, the second thing you need to focus on is your insurance policies. Make sure those types of things are paid up and protecting your family and the assets that you do have. And the third thing you should be focusing on that I feel is really important that will help you survive this pandemic, get you a home-based business. That's right. Get a home-based business and learn how to adapt to the new economy coming your way. Hey, have a great day. Put this information to use if you can, and I will see you soon. Peace.